Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your dental insurance with Delta Dental step by step clearly. To upgrade your dental insurance with Delta Dental, begin by visiting the official Delta Dental website. Navigate to the members or existing customers section. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create one. Provide the necessary information to set up your account. Once logged in, find the Upgrade Plan or Change Plan option. Review the available plans and benefits by clicking on each one. Compare the features, coverage, and premiums of each upgraded plan. Select the plan that best suits your dental needs and budget. Follow the prompts to begin the upgrade process. You may be required to provide additional information or verify your eligibility. Review the summary of changes, including any new costs and benefits. Confirm your upgrade choice by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation of your plan upgrade via email. If needed, contact Delta Dental customer service for any questions. Make sure to review your new benefits once the upgrade is complete. Keep your insurance card handy for future visits to the dentist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.